So we've got 2014 BMW X5. This is the F series. Obviously, we'll show you the CarPlay that we've just recently installed. So with this, it is using the original screen and the original controllers down here. As you can see, when you're on the CarPlay, you can press and hold the button. It will go in between your BMW and your factory CarPlay system here. So on CarPlay, you're going to have music, messaging, maps, all of that all in one place. You get 3 most recently used icons on the far left hand side. You get your battery percentage, signal, time, date, all of that stuff on here. On the far left, we have widgets. So we have split screen, we have music and maps, both built onto the same unit. We also, far left again, time, calendar, anything you may require on there can be done through this. Obviously at the moment I have the weather app. So in terms of this stuff on here, for maps, you can go onto here. You can do Siri by activating through the phone, through your car steering wheel on the button. We can also press and hold the icon down here, and it will also activate Siri through here as well. Now, once you're on maps, obviously you can give you a destination through your phone, or you can type it in through your system. Same applies through Spotify. We have Spotify on here. We have track left and right by simply touching our gear lever and volume knob down here. Volume up and down on the steering wheel works. So is also track selection on here. So as you can see, with that on the steering wheel, I'll be scrolling and it will change on the steering wheel as well. So I can scroll whilst I'm currently in driving, so you don't need to use the scroller down below. Now with this, it supports any factory reversing cameras. So as you can see, the factory reversing camera comes up with the parking PDC controller on the right hand side for sensors. Obviously, if you don't have these, you can add these in as optional extras. The camera comes in as an optional extra. This supports wired and wireless versions of iPhone and Android compatibility, so CarPlay and Android Auto. So as you can see, this is my phone connected here. This is the new iPhone 17 Pro. Obviously, we have no compatibility issues on these vehicles. Now, a lot of people ask, does this add any improvements to your vehicle? And the answer is yes. You are keeping everything OEM, factory installed. You're just behind the scenes integrating into what you currently have. So it will bring the value of your vehicle up, as vehicles of this era didn't have the ability for CarPlay on there. For this, obviously, if you don't have reversing cameras, as I said previously, you can add them on. Obviously, it's all at additional costs as well. Now, far left, obviously, we can go across. We'll show you what everything will look like. Any music or app that's reading out a device to you, such as WhatsApp or messages, it will use Siri to read it out to you, and you use Siri to respond back through the system itself. Now, obviously, we can do the scroller. And this is the CarPlay unit. A little bit of a closer up on here. And that is it on a BMW X5 2014 plate.